Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will discuss accounts of banking company. Go to study note number 4, accounts of banking, electricity and insurance companies. I will be discussing accounts of banking companies. Illustration 11. Following are the figures extracted from the books of Y Bank Limited, Scheduled Commercial Bank as on 31st March 13. Other information is given. Interest and discount received. This will be shown under schedule number 13. Interest paid on deposits. This will be shown as schedule number 15. Issued and subscribed capital. Schedule number 1. Reserve under section 17. This is schedule number 2. Commission, exchange and brokerage. Schedule number 14. Rent received. Schedule number 14. Profit on sale of investment. Schedule number 14. Salaries and allowances. 16. Schedule number 16, directors fees and allowances. Schedule number 16, rent and taxes paid. Schedule number 16, stationery and printing. 16, postage and telegram. 16, other expenses. 16, audit fees. 16, depreciation on bank's properties is schedule number 16. Provision for bad and doubtful debts is necessary 2 lakhs. It is to be shown in profit and loss account under the section 2 expenditure. You have provision and contingencies in that. Show these 2 lakhs. Rebate on bills discounted 7,500. It is to be deducted from schedule number 13 and it is to be shown under schedule number 5. Whereas provision for doubtful debts, just now I have told you, it is to be shown in profit and loss account under provisions and contingencies. Similarly, it is to be deducted from schedule number 9, advances. Provide 3,50,000 for taxation. Provisions and contingencies in profit and loss account, Roman 2 expenditure, second section, as well as it is to be shown under schedule number 5. Directors decided to declare 10% dividend. It is to be shown under profit and loss appropriation account, section 4, and it is to be shown under schedule number 5. Make necessary assumptions and prepare profit and loss account in accordance with the law. First we'll see notes and schedules. Provisions and contingencies. Provision for doubtful debts 2 lakhs. Provision for taxation is 3,50,000. Total provision is 5,50,000. It is assumed that rebate on bills discounted as on 31st March 12 was nil. Opening rebate on bills discounted is nil. Closing rebate on bills discounted is to be deducted from schedule 13, and if opening rebate on bills discounted is given, it is to be added, but we'll assume that it is nil, it is not given. As per the provision of section 17 of Banking Regulation Act 1949, amount to be transferred to statutory reserve should not be less than 25% of net profit. It is assumed that the dividend has been proposed as per RBI guidelines. Corporate dividend tax is payable when dividend is proposed or paid. Working note we have seen. Now we'll see schedules. Schedule number 13, interest earned. Interest and discount received is given. Rebate on bills discounted. Closing is to be deducted. We have written a note. Opening is assumed to be nil. If opening is there, it is to be added. So total of schedule number 13 is 20 lakhs 22,500. This total will directly go to profit and loss account. Schedule number 14, other income, commission, exchange and brokerage 90,000, rent received 30,000, net profit on sale of investment is 95,000, total is 2 lakhs 15,000, total will go to profit and loss account. Schedule number 15, interest expended, interest on deposits is given 12 lakhs 2,000, only one, total is 12 lakh 2,000. Schedule 16, operating expenses, payment to and provision for employees, rent, taxes and lighting, printing and stationery, depreciation on bank's property, directors' fees and allowances, auditors' fees and expenses, postage and telegram, other expenses. These expenses are given. Total is 2,36,500. This will go to profit and loss account. You are supposed to prepare only profit and loss account. So we have prepared only 4 schedules and 1 working note which gives the total of provisions and contingencies. In the books of Y Bank Limited, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 13, Roman 1, income First section is income. Interest earned, schedule 13, just now we have seen. Other income, schedule 14, we have seen this. Total income is 22,37,500. Section 2, expenditure, interest expended, schedule 15, 12 lakhs 2000. Operating expenses, schedule 16, 2,36,500. Just now we have seen these two schedules. Provisions and contingencies, we have gone through the note of provisions and contingencies. Total is 5,50,000. Total expenses 99,88,500. So total income minus total expenditure is profit earned during the year 2,49,000. Profit brought forward is nil. So total of 3 is 2,49,000. 3 is profit and loss. Total of 3 is to be written as total of 4. 4 is appropriations. Transfer to statutory reserve 25% of 2,49,000, 62,250. Proposed dividend 10% of 5,50,000. Balance carried forward to balance sheet. This is balancing figure. 2,49,000 is same total as 3 minus 62,250 minus 50,000 is balancing figure, which will get transferred to balance sheet. Now we'll go to illustration 12. From the following trial balance and additional information, prepare balance sheet of Lakshmi Bank Limited, a scheduled commercial bank as at 31st March 30. Debit balances they have given. So these are debit balances, that means assets. Credit balances, that means liabilities. While writing schedules, you have to be very careful. Debit balances, you will have schedule number of assets. For assets, you are having schedule numbers from 6 to 11. For liabilities, you are having schedule numbers 1 to 5. Cash credit, schedule number 9. Cash in hand, schedule number 6. Cash with RBI, schedule number 6. Cash with other banks, schedule number 7. Money at call and short notice, schedule number 7. Gold, 8. Investments. Government securities, 8. Investment. Current account, you have to be very careful. Current account is given, but this is debit balance. That means it will be shown as schedule number 7, current account balance with RBI. Premises 10, furniture 10, term loan 9. Credit balances, schedule number 1 to 5. Share capital 1, statutory reserve 2. Net profit for the year and profit and loss account. This will go in schedule number 2. I will show you how it is to be done. Fixed deposit account is schedule number 3. Saving deposit is 3. Current account is 3. Bills payable is 5. Borrowing from other banks is 4. Bill for collection, contingent liability. Acceptances and endorsement, contingent liability. Claim against the bank not acknowledged as date, contingent liability. All these three are contingent liabilities. Depreciation charged on premises 1,10,000 and furniture 78,000. Just now we have gone through trial balance. In the trial balance, net profit for the year is given. Net profit for the year is given. That means assets are after deducting depreciation. So whatever asset value is shown in the trial balance, that only will go to balance sheet. Very important. Assets are shown in trial balance after deducting depreciation because net profit for the year is given. Schedule number 1, capital. Issued, subscribed and called up capital, which is given 297. Reserves and surplus, statutory reserve is given 346.5. Add profit earned during the year, 25% of that. Profit earned during the year, net profit is given before appropriation 225 rupees are in lakhs. So 25% of 225 is profit earned during the year is 2 lakh. 2 crore 25 lakhs, 25% of that is to be transferred to reserve. So in statutory reserve, you are supposed to add 25% of profit earned during the year, which is 56.25, 402.75. Profit and loss account opening balance is 618, which is given to us. Profit and loss account opening balance 618. Profit earned during the year is 225 minus transferred to statutory reserve is 56.25. So in profit and loss account, net figure is 786.75. Total of schedule 2 is 1189.50. Schedule number 3, deposits. In that you have demand deposit, saving deposit, term deposit. Total is 2230.68. Borrowing from other banks 165. Bills payable 0.15. Why? Because rupees are in lakhs. Cash and balance with RBI. Cash in hand 240.23. Balance with RBI 67.82. Total is 308.05. Balance with bank and money at call and short notice. Cash with other banks 132.81. Money at call and short notice 315.18. Current account 42. Total is 489.99. Investments, government securities 365.25, gold 82.84, total is 448.09. Advances, cash credit 1218.15, term loan 1189.32, total is 2407.47. Fixed assets, premises, less depreciation. This depreciation is given in the adjustment. This figure is given in the trial balance. Furniture, this is given in the adjustment. This figure is given in the trial balance. I have given you a note. These figures only will come in the balance sheet because they have given us net profit. So already they have deducted depreciation. So whatever is the value given in that, depreciation is added and again deducted. Depreciation added and again deducted. These are the values given in trial balance. Total of schedule 10 fixed assets is 228.73. Other assets are nil. Contingent liabilities. This is given in the adjustment. Acceptances and endorsement. Claim against bank not acknowledged as date 0.55. Just now we'll go through the acceptances, endorsements, claim acknowledged by bank. These two are contingent liabilities. Bill for collection, it is to be separately shown. Sorry, it is not to be added as contingent liability. Bill for collection. In the balance sheet, it is to be separately shown after contingent liabilities. Now we'll see the balance sheet. Lakshmi Bank Limited balance sheet as on 31st March 13. Capital and liabilities, capital schedule number 1, reserves and surplus schedule number 2, deposit schedule number 3, borrowing schedule number 4, other liabilities and provision schedule number 5 total. Just now we have seen all the schedules. Assets, cash and balance with RBI schedule number 6, balance with bank and money at call and short notice schedule number 7, investment schedule number 8, advances schedule number 9, fixed assets schedule number 10, other assets are not there. So total of all assets is same as total of capital and liabilities. Contingent liabilities schedule number 12 just now we have seen, and bill for collection is to be shown separately after contingent liabilities. In this particular video we have seen illustration for preparation of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Thank you.